Hey guys, Paul here from that video. Today's not gonna be a gaming video. It's gonna be more of our keyboard how-to video. Right now, so this will also be a spoiler alert. I have NovelKey cream switches. Let me see if I can show you guys. NovelKey cream switches. I cannot pronounce the NovelKey name. Not that easy. This is NovelKey cream switch. This one is not lubed yet. These guys are all lubed. These guys are all lubed. Plus, I got another bag full of them. So this is for my new keyboard build, and I totally forgot that. This is my keyboard. See, it says lubes on it. These are more I have to get lubed, as you guys can see on screen. On the display capture, this is everything I have total for this build. And it says the total cost, which I don't like saying, but there it is. You don't need a switch opener for this. I would recommend some kind of grease. I'm trying to remember. So there's lithium grease, white lithium grease, which you can get at any hardware store. It works fine. I have it. I used it since I got this one. This is the what is this called? This is Krytox 205 grade 0. This I overpriced on. I paid $19 for it. Do not buy it off Amazon. Buy it off of NovelKeys because they have a bigger jar. And yeah. I mistakenly did it. So yeah, you don't need much in your jar. The little white stuff is actually all I need. There's other white stuff underneath. That's lithium grease. But eventually, guys, I'm gonna be doing a physical stream on building my keyboard, my 400. We'll call it 500 because it's over 50 on that. My $500 keyboard. Yeah. And then these keycaps that the GMK Pulse Mito or X Mito keycap set, those are going on my keyboard as well. I just wanted to plop on a few things. So if you're doing linear switches, which I'm only covering linear switches in this video, I'm only covering how to do linear switches. You don't really need much. Let me actually show you. So if you see this, you just gotta grab a tad bit, and then you don't really need all this. You can just like do that. I like rubbing it in. You don't really need much, but for the stem, what you want to do is do the two stems here. Let me show you guys. So you want to do these two little stems. I'll show you actually real quick. See, actually, I can see what I'm doing. I want to do this. The pointy stems are what you want to do as well. Yeah, and then that's it for linear switches. That's where you want to do it. That I think that is that. Now you go on. I go onto the spring next, which is the most. It's just better to go in order, so you have to do other stuff. This one you always want a little bit more. Always want a little bit more. I'm gonna grab some more actually than that. So a little bit. You can see there's nothing on the brush, but all you want to do is I go inside of it for a second and just like roll around in it. That's my easy way of doing it. And then I go around on the outside. Physically, I do this just to get the springs nice and lubed. I haven't really seen a video on how to lube cream switches. Even though, oh my god, even though they're already the same procedure, it's this side. I have to read what side it is. Yeah, basically, I haven't seen anyone really do a lube specifically for creams or on creams. And then for this one is the most important part. You don't want to do the whole thing on the sides. All you want to do, which I'm going to try to get closer. What you want to do is this little guy right here. If you guys can see this. Just want to do that little guy, the little peg. The back, basically on both sides, you want to do the back as well. I don't have a grabber, so this is going to be harder for me to show you guys. But basically, you want to do this. And the other side. Then you want to do the legs, the little peg legs. And then you want to do the bottom of the peg legs. Let me show you guys first. These little legs here. Little legs. You want to poke. I'm losing grip. I want to poke them a little bit with this. Not too much. Because then that would be annoying. And then the bottom side, just wipe it a few times with the bottom. I have lube on there so I can get it on there. Alright. That is done for that switch. And then all you gotta do is undo it again. And then pop it back open. You just need a flathead screwdriver to undo it. And then you see this? All you gotta do is plop it back on. Physically just plop it back on. Alright guys, that's the lube switch. You got it done. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Have a nice subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video, gaming / keyboard / cable video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.